How's it going, guys? Today I got a Chevy Trax and we're getting that shaky, shimmering, jerking feeling on these cars that while you're driving it, maybe it warms up or maybe it does it right out of the gate when you start it up in the morning. But these things are jerking. It feels like there's some type of fuel issue or air issue, or it even may feel like a transmission issue that's jerking the vehicle. Well, these vehicles are known for what's called a coil pack that goes bad in these 1.4 liter motors. This is the coil pack from AC Delco. I got this in this section below. You guys can go ahead and get all the products in this video down here on the left hand corner of this video. You'll see if you go over to it, it shows the products. The coil pack is one of them. You also need 4 spark plugs, and the tools you need will also be in that product listing. If you guys like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and a super chat if you would, or super thanks. I really appreciate that. If you need any help, you can comment in the comment section. You can text me at 954-394-6581. And if you guys want to use my account at O'Reilly's, I got no problems with that. Just hit me up for more information on that, and you can save on tax, and you can also save on the product itself. Give me a call. Have a great day. Watch the video. Get your car fixed. Let's go. All right, guys. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously pop the hood, lift the hood up, put your stick in so that the hood doesn't fall on your head. And inside here, you're going to see the Ecotech little cover right here. And you're just going to pull that off with your hand. It's really simple. Of course, it wouldn't be simple for me shooting this video, would it? But there you go. It is simple, guys. And what you're going to need now is we're going to remove this right here. This is your coil pack, and underneath the coil pack is your spark plug. So you're going to need a spark plug tool, which is a very simple tool. I'll show you what it is. I believe it's 5/8. First thing you're going to do is disconnect this here. Pull this purple clip to the back and push. If your vehicle is like mine, I'm gonna need a wrench for that, or pliers to remove that. I believe this is a T30. We'll check that out right now, and let's get this thing removed. All right, guys, so this is your coil pack right down here. Your coil pack is this long skinny thing right there, and you have a plug right here. You pull back this purple tab towards the driver's side of the vehicle, and on mine, unfortunately, I have to get a pair of pliers to remove this because it is a little bit old and just what it requires. So I'm going to remove that there. So I just removed this, guys, off the side here. And then you're gonna grab a T27, which is this right here, T27. And you're just going to remove the ones right here in the middle. And when you remove these, this thing will just pop right out with your hands, and voila. This one looks fairly new. Well, maybe they all look new. This is an AC Delco. I'm going to replace all those spark plugs down there. But the one we have here is a Master Pro. I was told that this is also a very good unit. So we're going to pull out every single one of those spark plugs there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we are going to replace the spark plugs. So let's get our spark plug removal socket now. All right, guys, for the spark plugs, you're going to use a 17. This is my 17. I have loosened the first one over here to the left already off camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this. And you're going to do all 4 of these. And of course, I'm going to have to get that out with a needle nose plier because it doesn't want to come out. It's loose in there, so I'm going to have to pull it out with little pliers. It's not a big deal, guys. So we'll get all 4 of these loosened. Put that one in there. Get my wrench here. And again, this is a 17 millimeter, guys, on an extension. Got that one loose. And we're just going to do all these, and I'll get all these off camera, guys, because I'm trying to hold this thing with 2 hands. It's not very convenient. And the next thing we're going to do in this, if you haven't done it already, guys, is a oil change. I'll show you how to do that on this vehicle. Take this out. All right, we're going to get all those out now and show you what they look like. All right, guys, so this is what they look like. They are not the greatest condition, but they're not terrible. The tips are a little silver. They have a lot of, a lot of, I'd say, not really rust, but like exhaust debris on them. You could clean these up if you wanted to, but I mean, I just bought new ones, so. And they're cheap. I think I paid $12 with my discount at O'Reilly's. You can too. If you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Get with me. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get our spark plugs, which are in the car. All right, there's our spark plugs. AC Delco 126-81655, 4 of them. There's the UPC code. So we'll go ahead and throw these in now, one by one, and we'll get back with you after we install them. Now all you're going to do for these, take one out of the package, okay, drop it in. Geronimo! Okay, that one's in. And then you're just going to tighten it, guys. So you're going to take your 17, tighten it on in there. And you're going to do this by hand, and of course after you get it taut by hand, and you're going to use the tool to just snug it down. Alright guys, so we're going to do this now, and get back to you after all of our spark plugs are in. Alright guys, now we're just going to snug these spark plugs down. Make sure you don't over tighten them. You don't need to break these things. That one's done. That one's done. That one's done. Last one. And that one's done. All right, next step, simply take your coil pack, the new one, and you're going to set it right in on top of all those spark plugs. All right, those are in. Now take your bolts, put your T27 bolts back in the centers, and you're going to tighten those babies down. And the last thing you're going to do after you tighten these down, folks, you're going to plug in your pigtail on the end of it That one's snug. Once again, guys, I thank you for watching my videos, my channels, and hopefully this corrects your jerking problem or your shaking, erratic acceleration on your 1.4 liter GM motor. Take your pigtail, guys, that I spoke about, plug it right back in. Make sure your purple tab is pushed back in so it's secure. Take your Ecotech cover, place it right back on like that, and this job is done. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Take care, subscribe. On to changing the oil now.